Alright, as it is hard not to notice, we've got the LEVERevolution rounds again in 4570. And we are going to do the FWC test, which is flower, water, cantaloupe at about 50 yards. Get the expansion, catch it in the denim, and see what we got left of that big, beautiful bullet. So y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. Let's see what we got. Ta-da! Souvenir brass from the Bohemian Hunting Club. Smoky Oak. Selling these for the exclusive offer of $99.99 per casing. You can have a souvenir brass shot, shell, expense, whatever from the Bohemian Hunting Club. That right now, if anybody's interested, I will definitely sell you this for $99.99, and I will include free shipping. Got the demolished water jug. Kind of lost thought. Cantaloupe is blown through nicely, as you can see. Exit wound. Baiting the range. Yeah, we got a little bit of everything going on here. More cantaloupe. See if we got the bullet. Oh, bullet is just sitting on top of the first pair of jeans. So that's nice. Here we go. And there you are. Not too bad. The Hornady LEVERevolution, the flower water cantaloupe FWC. As you can see the bullet there, that is very pretty. Definitely very pretty bullet. Going through, let's see what are good enough. Good enough. Yeah, right at 1 inch. 1 inch expansion, roughly. Not too bad. Let's see what we got on the weight. It's gonna have a little cantaloupe in it, but that's fine. And we got 274.4 out of 325, I do believe. Yep, 325, 274, not too bad on the way. That is definitely a nice bullet. You won't have not too big of a tracking job using these. Usually you drop them on the spot with the shoulder shot. But there you go. Thanks for watching.